What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Beautiful day today. This is what I've been waiting for. A nice sunny day. It's warm. I don't have to be out here in a sweatshirt. This is a good day. So we need to keep going on this. Still got a lot of things I want to do on this. I want to keep you guys updated on this. Had some things show up for this I'm really excited about, but let's keep going on this. So I think what we're going to do today is we're going to get into that Boost Auto box. I'm really looking forward to shifting gears. We got the suspension done on the truck. The Tough Country radius arm conversion long arm thing is done. I think it's time to shift gears and do something else. And that something else is definitely cosmetic. And it's a really popular upgrade on these trucks. I'm waiting to do it on mine. He's doing it first. And that is the mirrors. Let's get into this box and show you guys what he's got going on. So this, if you guys haven't figured it out yet, is a Boost Auto 3rd to 4th gen mirror. Oh shit, he even went smoked. This is their 3rd gen, 4th gen style mirror. Really slick piece. He wanted to do the chrome caps. I'm really happy he went with the smoked corner lamp here. 4th gen style, but they're made to fit on the 3rd gen. They're heated mirrors. They are electric mirrors, electric adjust. They give you this little care package of stuff too. I need to get into that and see what it comes with. But this is going to be a really good upgrade and really good look on that truck. Since he is going with the black and chrome, and one of the parts is in the back of my truck, the traction bars. We got the traction bars back in powder coat, but we might not get to those today. So let's get into this bag of goodies and see what you get to make the install easier when you order some Boost Autos. So let's see how this works here. We got 2 inline fuses, 2 of these inline harnesses for the light. Okay guys, so when you install these, see this little extra little piggy right here? This is the wire that goes to that. So what that is, the 4th gens have this clearance light here. It's either going to be a clearance light or a turn signal. We're going to do it as a clearance light because I think that would look way better than just wiring it as a turn signal. Boost Auto does offer switchbacks, and what a switchback is, if you install their switchbacks, it is both a turn signal and a marker light. So the marker light will be white, and then when you hit your turn signal, the amber turn signal comes on. It's actually a really cool thing. I think when I do mine, I want to paint match them. And this isn't about mine. This is about Don's truck today, but when I get mine, I want to paint match them. I want to do the switchback marker and all the rest. So but for today, it's not about mine, it's about Don's. You're not going to see mine for a while. We need to get this on the truck. Got another one in there, one at a time. So what this is the driver's side. I think we'll start there. So the first thing we're going to do to get this mirror on and off is, unfortunately, we do need to remove the door panel. He doesn't want to, but we need to get to the screws back here. This does look like a modular piece, but it's not. This is part of the door panel itself. His truck being a true Laramie, it does have the infinity system, but I don't understand why they do this different than on mine. But anyway, we need to get the door panel off so we can get to all the screws. And another reason to have the door panel off is because we want to run that wire through the factory loom and make it all nice and clean. So we need to get the door panel off, then we can mount the mirror, then we can go from there. So what we can, let's compare these two mirrors. This is why people do it, okay? Not only is it an updated look, but you see the blind spot, how it's so much bigger on this one? Your field of view is a lot better on these new style 4th gen mirrors than these old style 3rd gen mirrors. That and the updated look, you know, you have the clearance light. It's a nice little upgrade for these trucks. So as you guys saw, you take the 3 bolts out. There is tabs right here you're supposed to push in. News to me. Now we know. Push those tabs in, you're gonna rip them off. So this should just slide right on there. Put the screws in, plug it in. Then we'll worry about wiring our last little wire, which we need to run to our clearance light circuit. So let's get this mirror out. Little guy's scootering around, so let's get this mirror on and we'll go from there. So these mirrors, like I said, they're designed for these 3rd gen trucks. So the factory plug just plugs right back in, but you're left with this guy, right? So what we need to do is we need to take this harness, we need to plug in here, we need to run it through the door, through the factory boot into the truck, and then we're gonna tap both sides into the park light circuit coming out of here. That's gonna be the easiest way to go, the best way to go, and we're gonna show you how to do that. But first, I want to get the other side mounted so that we're wiring both of them at the same time. So let me bust through getting that side mounted, and then we'll go from there. I had to put you guys down for a second. That was getting a little involved. So what I did was I went through, you see our little mirrors here, that's kind of cool. I put everything back together because the tedious stuff I didn't show you. So we ran the wire that I showed you that came out of the back of the mirror, comes out about right here. Ran that down with the rest of the wires and then ran it out through this, and it's running under there across the truck. And this is where things get important because they're running under the truck, or not under the truck, I'm sorry, under the dash. So you can't see them, nice and clean. And we came here, okay, here's both wires because we did the same thing here. The plug's here, we ran down, and then we tied in with another harness and went back through here. It's all safe, it's all out of the way. So we ran it up here, and this is the connector for the headlight switch, okay? Now on this truck, it's the same with cab lights. I guess people are doing the same thing with cab lights. This yellow and black, or orange and black, second one in, is what I tied into. Okay, used one of these neat little butt connectors, heat shrink it down. It's fine. It's not soldered, I get it, but it's fine. So, on these '08 trucks, this is a 2008 with a tip-em. This is how I did it. I'm not saying they're all gonna be the same, but I'm saying this is how we did it. So, I'm gonna plug it in real quick. Okay, plugged in. Right now, they're not on. Okay, if you can see that, they're off. Come in here. Turn the markers on. Come out here. And we have light. Both sides even. You can't see that side, but it's on. Headlights. Headlights on. We still have light. Back to markers. Still got it. No light. No light. Whew. So that took longer than I thought, but I knew it was going to take a while because I wanted to make sure the wiring was right. So that I can put this on. Took this off, right? Put that back on. It goes in there and there somewhere and pops in like that, and that's on. So that's it. That's done. Let me show you guys these mirrors. These Boost Auto mirrors are actually really, really nice. And the cool thing about these mirrors is when you order them, they are custom built per order. So he went with black arms. This is a 4th gen mirror, black arms, smoke clearance light, and chrome thingamajigs. Now, he's not going to run them up, I don't think. Let him do his heart desires when his wheels are on, but really, really, really good quality. Really nice mirrors. He could go as far as to color match them if he wanted to, but I don't think he's going to. We already talked about that. I don't think he wants to. But, you know, you have an adjustable, your clearance mirror, convex mirror, whatever you want to call it, it's adjustable. The mirror itself is heated and electric, and man, they just look good. Those chrome caps on there with the smoke lenses, I really like them. I'm gonna have to clean them up, but whatever. Let me see. Hold on. Hang on. Yeah. What do you think? I think they look great. Nice updated look. Chrome tops, 4th gen with the little winker up here. Well, it's not a winker, but you know, the clearance light. So I think that's a huge win for today. I don't know what you guys think, but anyway. So if you guys are interested in a set of these mirrors, check them out. Boost Auto Parts. They make well, you got options. Let me tell you. And the great thing about them is they are built to order. So whatever you want, they can do, and they will do. So I'm gonna let that go. That was quite the project. You know, it's not difficult, it's tedious, because you want to make sure that everything is right. You don't want wires hanging, you don't want them in pinch points, you don't want them in bad spots. You want to make sure that when you're done with this, no one will ever know that those mirrors don't belong there. You don't see anything hanging. Well, you do now, because I need to zip tie the wires up. But anyway, just keep it clean until we get to our next little phase here, which may or may not be in the back of the truck here. I'm gonna let you go. So with that being said, have a good one, and we'll see you on the next one.